Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn, and if you'd like to sign up under me, you can use the promo code JEWEL20, get 20% off your first month. They have a new promo for $14.99 and you get one skein of yarn, and then you can pick what type of yarn you would like. And somebody emailed me and told me they got more than 20% off on that promo that I have, and maybe they're running a special I just don't know about. And if you'd like to come to my blog, it's amyscrochetpatterns.com. Everything is listed down below. You can pick any categories that I have listed under patterns. And I did pick applique. Click on the turtle and it will take you right to the pattern. Most of all my patterns have videos and are free. Then on my Etsy store, Amy Creative Creations, I have crochet PDFs, vintage PDFs, and I have a bunch of tags for thank yous and for school and for teachers if you'd like to take a look. And they're reasonably priced at just $2.99, and most of them you can get personalized by me. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Kimberly. I just need you to contact me with my email, which is listed down below. I'll send the giveaway to you as soon as possible. Congratulations. Thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe.